Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. Hope you all woke up on the right side of bed and today you're being blessed. Today we're doing a review on the Tool Daily foam cannon. This foam cannon is bought off Amazon, links in the description below. This foam cannon currently is $19.99, has a $2 off coupon, and depending on your area offers same day delivery, which is pretty cool. So I got this foam cannon, like I said, took a day to get delivered. It has 47,000 reviews, 4.5 star rating on Amazon, so very good rating for the amount of stars it has or reviews. In the box, we're supposed to have extra nozzles. Now most foam cannons you buy comes with the nozzles. It's like a running joke now, like your number 10 socket that walks away, or you're working on your car and you put the number 10 socket down, you turn around and it's gone. Well, the more foam cannons you buy, the more of these pressure nozzles you'll have, and then the more you'll lose because you can never find them when you need them. Let's see what's on the box. Specifications. The brand is Tool Daily. It's a 1/4 inch quick connect. The working condition for PSI is 1,000 to 3,000 PSI. The max temperature is 45 Celsius or 113 degrees. Not sure why they put it at 113 degrees when boiling water is, I think, 132. I'm pretty sure you could put boiling water in the container, or maybe they just say that so no idiot sprays themselves with boiling water, tries to sue the Tool Daily people because someone was an idiot. If you're in America, you pretty much know you can sue anybody, even when you're a dumbass, but that's just how the laws are written. Comes with a foam cannon, the 5 nozzles, and an instruction. Let's go ahead and open this guy up. So upon opening the foam cannon, we have our Jeepers Cats. We have our 5 nozzles. And then there's also a little tool here to clean out the nozzle as well. But we have our white, red, green, orange, and black, which is always for the soap. Pulling out the 1 liter container right here. So it's a plastic, just a standard plastic container, nothing special. You'll get 2 extra suction straws. Instructions. If you need to know how to pull it apart to replace the orifice, it's kind of cool. They show you how to do it. And then we have the main body. Box is empty. We'll check the box, recycle it. We'll save the bubble wrap for shipping out 3D products. That's for another channel. So the body of the foam cannon is a brass collar, of course. You have your fins in there that adjust the spray pattern. We have our knob on the top, 1/4 inch connector here, which should plug right into your standard pressure washing wand. All right, so the first thing you'll want to do is squeeze on the hose. All right, there we go. Hose is on. And one thing that would be nice, honestly, if they, there's some bottles that come with it. Most of them don't. But if this was brass right around here, so you got brass on brass, just so you have less chance of stripping out the bottle. But honestly, guys, let's just say you washed your car 20 times and it's stripped out. You only paid with a coupon, $17.99. So you get your money back, especially if you're out detailing cars or whatnot. So the soap we're using today, because we're just testing the tool only, right? We're not testing the soap, but we also want to make sure that we use a soap that we know will sud. So we don't want to just test this with Dawn dish soap and have it not work proper. So we'll be using some Mr. Pink foam wash and wax. I don't have any of the original Mr. Pink left. I am going to get some to do another review to see if they've changed the formula over the last 3 years. But this is their new stuff, Mr. Pink Wash and Wax. It has a wax base in it. It foams really well. I did a video on it already, a couple videos back if you want to check it out. I would say I'll put it here like every other YouTuber, but I'm not every other YouTuber. You can go through the content. It's only like 3 or 4 videos back. But here's the Mr. Pink. We'll go ahead and give it like 3 or 4 good squirts. Some good squirts right inside, then we'll fill it up with some cold water and then we'll shoot the foam and we'll see how it works. I don't care how the soap works, I really just care how well it shoots the foam and how well the adjustment works on it as well, because it's really, we're just testing the tool. All right, so we gave it 3 good squirts, about 3 ounces or so of soap in here. We'll go ahead and top it off with some cold water. Now, in my previous testing of other foam cannons, I found that if you use hot water, you sometimes get a better foaming action. But I'm not gonna take the time to boil any hot water right now. So we'll just use what most of you will do in your driveway, some cold water. All right, so we got it topped off, as you can see. It's nice and full. And just go ahead and give it a little shaky shake, a little swirl, and get that soap all mixed in with the water. All right, now let me move the camera. I'll hook up the foam cannon to the pressure washer, and we'll spray her and see what happens. Alright guys, as you saw in that little demonstration, the foam went on nice and thick right out of the box. Now the knob is set to max suds. If you switch it to the other way, you'll get max water. Very little to no soap, so it does do the separation pretty damn well. For 17 bucks, you can't go wrong with this foam cannon. Clearly, we use good soap too, chemical guys, but there's lots of good soap on the market if you just don't like chemical guys for whatever reason. I know there's a lot of people out there who dislike them. It's like, whatever. Like, their soap works great. Maybe some of the other stuff and whatever. But that's like every other detail product out there. You just find what you like. Now, the suds that you saw went on nice and thick. The soap's good, so it clung to the card long enough for you to wash it. But like I said, we're not testing the soap. We're actually testing the tool. But it puts it on there pretty darn thick, kind of like whipped, shaving cream. So I could say it's shaving cream. Now there's some other soap where there's another foam cannon I use where it's shaving cream, and with the right soap, it really just clings on there. Today's temperature is about 40 degrees, or even colder. It's supposed to be freezing all night and day. I am in Portland, Oregon, so, like I said, the weather, it's not like 100 out. It's just nice, beautiful sunny weather. There's not much left I can say without saying, so guys, if you want to pick up one of these foam cannons or you're indecisive, hopefully this video will help you decide. I'm not comparing it to like the chemical guys, because the chemical guys is a decent foam cannon. It just requires more PSI, more pressure. And the pressure washer I'm using is a standard 2000 PSI, 1.2 gallon per minute pressure washer. There's a little cheap Ryobi guy I picked up at the Home Depot. Honestly, like most everybody is going to have a cheaper electric one for the most part, unless you're a professional detailer. And even then, it sprays water. I don't know. I'm not a detailer. All right, guys. I'll see you on the next one.